So guys, eto na siya. I know that this is one of the most requested video na gawin ko kasi ang dami yung nag-request ito and dumating na siya. Ano siya? Hulaan nyo guys. Gusto ko pinahula ko sa inyo, di ba? But no, this is the Maya Landers credit card, the first ever credit card ni Maya. And gusto ko i-unbox siya with you guys. But before anything else, what I want to do is also share paano ba natin siya nakuha or paano ko ba siya in-apply. So, I did apply it on my own. So, wala tong any external forces around it. Talagang mag-isa ko siya gusto i-try para at least alam natin yung proseso. First things first, what I did is get a Landers membership. So, nag-register ako ng Landers membership or from the Maya app, kung nakita niyo yung poster na, oh, you can now access or get the Maya Landers credit card, gano'n. So, nag-register ako muna for a Landers na membership. Then, pwede ka ma-waitlist for the Maya Landers credit card. But, syempre guys, hindi siya 100% sure. It will still be for approval ni Maya. And without further ado, nung one time, bigla na lang nakita ko, okay, pwede na ulit ako mag-try. So, nakita ko dito yung parang poster again, trinay ko, nag-waitlist ulit ako, okay. And then, biglang one of these days, biglang lumabas na, oh, approve na ako. Sabi ko, oh, in fairness, ha? And then, kinonfirm ko na yung mga details ko and then, boosh, na-ship na yung Maya credit card ko. So, shipping nila usually 5 to 7 days. And then, ang courier na ginamit nila for this one will be to go. And syempre, nandito yung mga other paalala dito for delivery. Pakita ko na sa inyo to. So, may mga delivery na ganito siya. Na if ever, di ba, kailangan consignee or may-ari lang pwede mag-receive. And if ever, valid ID yung kukunin or hihingin sa'yo to confirm. Or pwede ka rin mag-issue ng authorization letter. And dapat may physical ID nila ipakita sa courier. Okay, without further ado guys, bubuksan na natin to. Sabay tayo para at least makita nyo na rin. And this is the Maya Landers credit card. This is it. So, pag nakuha mo yung envelope mo, nandito yung Maya logo, nandito yung Landers logo, and then sa envelope here, you will have your name and your address. And sa likod, will have your Maya logo, or the Landers logo. What this looks like, it reminds me very similar of the Maya na debit card. So, mukhang ganun yung itsura niyan. And then, without further ado, buksan na natin siya. So guys, make sure na sealed talaga siya. And what I always check here, pag sealed talaga, meaning sealed na sealed talaga. O yan o, ganyan ang seal niya. And then, cardboard yung sa loob niya. And then when you open it, the first thing here is take your membership to the next level. Fairness. And then sa harapan nito, nandito yung name mo and then yung address. For 24/7 assistance, go to your credit card, the app, and then click on the question mark icon and never share your details, OTP, and other reminders for your card. And then without further ado, bubuksan na natin siya. Ganito po siya. Pak! Ganda, no guys? Okay. So, Landers Cashback Everywhere Card, credit card by Maya, up to 5% cashback sa Landers, 2% on dining, and 1% everywhere else. And then terms and conditions will apply, and then their Landers membership is here, and then the credit card is also here. So, if ever papasok ka sa Landers, nandito na rin siya. And nandito rin yung instructions on how to activate your Maya Landers credit card. And this is a Visa Platinum credit card. Ganda. And then sa harapan will be your Maya logo, Landers logo, and then you have a Visa Platinum. Yan yung parang, alam mo naman, the transactions here will be governed by Visa, and then my name is here. At the back, you have your credit card number, and then the valid through, and the Landers membership ID is on the back side as well. And then, nandito rin yung card ID number mo, and then your CVV is at the back as well. And what's different here is yung magnetic strip niya, guys, nasa baba. Di ba usually sa taas siya pag titingnan mo, pero sa kanya sa baba. Cute! I kind of like these details. Okay, so this is the Maya Landers card. And then, let's go through all of the different perks of the Maya Landers credit card. Okay, so if you can see the picture here, the image here, nandito naman siya, you earn cashback everywhere. And di ba, everywhere 1%, and then 2% on dining, and then 3% on landers. But when you reach a minimum spend of 20,000 total credit card spend, 4% naman ang cashback mo sa landers. And if you meet or reach a 50,000 total credit card spend naman, 5% na yung cashback mo sa landers. So, remember guys that this credit card is a cashback credit card. They call it like a cashback credit card. Pero ang credits mo actually is Landers credit. So, yung mga points or yung cashback na kinikita mo is Landers na GC. So, meaning, kaya mo siya gamitin or ginagamit mo siya sa Landers mismo. Okay, so, just some of the more important aspects here that I want you to again, focus on is I want you to notice here na ito yung perfect here. Sample transaction and crediting of cashback points. For example, nag 60,000 single transaction spend ka sa Landers. Yung first 20,000 mo, 3%, 600 points ang kikitain mo doon. Then, the 30,000 mo naman will be 4%, then you earn 1,200 points. And then the 10,000 mo na spend, that will earn you 5% or equivalent to 5% or 500 points. Total points for that transaction na yon is 2,300 points. Diba? It means progressive siya. Meaning, kailangan first, guys, mabuno mo muna yung 20,000, then mapubuno mo muna yung 30,000, then mabubuno mo yung whatever is above that, then dun mo makukuha yung maximum of 5%. It doesn't mean yung single transaction mo na 60,000 sa Landers na yan will earn you 5%. No, it's progressive. So parang ladder basis. Kailangan ma-meet mo muna yung 20, then 30, then the 10. Ganun siya. So one thing for you to remember. Kasi guys, if for example ang gagawin natin dito, if for example is 60,000 pesos, then nag 5% ka, dapat ang makukuha mo is 3,000 cashback points. Pero with the progressive, it's 2,300 points versus the 3,000. So, remember that, guys. Meaning, kailangan mo ma-meet yung first, then second, then you get to go to the third level. Okay. Now, when it comes to other items naman, for the 2% dining, no minimum spend requirement to. And then the 1% cashback on all other retail spend naman, guys, is no minimum spend required as well. So, one thing that you also need to notice here, ano ba ang walang cashback na spend? Petrol sa mga gas nyo, wallet top-up, or quasi-cash fee, cash advance, wala rin yan. Supermarket, wala. Casino gambling, pharmaceuticals, government, utilities, telco, and other blacklisted categories will not earn cashback points as well. So yun yung kailangan nyo i-make sure na hindi nyo rin siya gamitin. A lot of the credit cards naman will also not earn points with these specific categories. But there are some credit cards out there will earn points when you pay utilities or supermarkets, yung mga ganon. So it really depends. So this card, this Maya Landers, talagang if mag-grocery ka lagi sa Landers, maganda. Kasi di ba, yun talaga siya That's the point Para siya yung SNR ng Union Bank. If ma-SNR ka, I recommend go with the SNR Union Bank. Kasi maganda yung perks niya for SNR. Pero if malanders ka, this is an option for you. Okay, now, we also do note that the promo, guys, diba? 1 point mo, 1 cashback points equivalent to 1 peso. Pero you must earn 500 points to earn 1 voucher. Kasi guys, your cashback points is 500 pesos or 500 cashback points is equivalent to 1 500 pesos voucher. Then, yung 500 peso voucher na yan, pwede mo siya gamitin for Landers purchases. Ganun po siya. And then, of course, last but not the least, guys, ang maximum cashback that you can earn in a year is 200,000 cashback points. So, yun yung kailangan nyo rin make sure. So guys, in every year, you can earn a maximum of 200 cashback points. Guys, medyo malaki rin yan kasi cashback points, ang dami naman yan, di ba? So, magkano ginastos para makakuha ng 200,000 yan? Bonggang-bongga, di ba? So, I believe, if you're just gonna use it for your grocery, hindi mo naman makakap yung 200,000 pesos na yan. So, yun yung mga some of the little things that you have to remember here whenever you're using this Maya Landers credit card. And now, without further ado, syempre, ang gagawin natin will be activating your Maya Landers credit card na. Okay, so, first things first, nandito naman yung mga instructions natin, di ba? You can just go to your Maya app. So, I'm going to open my Maya app now. Okay. And then, pagbukas ko ng Maya app ko, go with your cards. And then dito sa cards, syempre sabihin nyo, Jax, parang dami mong cards. Okay. Then dito makikita ko na yung Maya Landers credit card ko. Binigyan naman ako dito ng 50,000 credit limit. Okay na rin, not bad. Hindi ako choosy. Okay. So, eto na pala siya. Got your card? Eto, click natin dito. Hindi medyo, for me ha. Sorry guys. Okay. So, eto, nakita natin to go and then tracking number. In fairness, ang ganda nito. Meron siya ditong tracking services. Pak, ganda. Pag clinic natin yung status. Deads. Okay. And then, already receive your card. Click on activate your card. And then, when you activate your card, you have to enter your card ID. Remember that the card ID is not your card number. Nasa baba siya, katabi niyo yung signature bar. So, I'm going to put in my card ID number. And then, click on next. And then, I'm gonna enter a 6-digit PIN. So guys, ang 6-digit PIN, ito yung parang cash advance PIN mo kasi when you're going to use to withdraw. And then your card is good to go. And then let's click on done. Boosh! Ito na. Ang ganda guys. Now, the card details is here. So here, what I can see here, mga settings niyan, this is my Landers Maya card. The card balance is 0 kasi wala pa naman siya. And available limit ko is 50,000 pesos. And then dito sa baba, makikita ko kung magkano yung aking points earned, cashback points. So now wala pa. Payment due date, wala rin. And then I can freeze the card here if ever. You can temporarily freeze it, which is maganda. You also have your settings button so you can look into all of your different card settings. So pwede mo nakita yung about your card, then nandito yung status mo, active siya. Monthly cut-off ko is 15, credit limit is 50,000. Finance charge is 3%, cash advance rate is 3%. It's very similar to your usual credit cards. And then your card settings, nandito rin naman siya. And you also have limits and controls. So, guys, ito yung importante na if gusto mo mag-online payment, you have to toggle it. Foreign transaction, toggle mo rin. Chip payment, which is if ini-insert. And then cash advance, if ever ini-enable mo rin siya. Swipe payment is also not supported. So, meaning, swipe na ginagawa hindi po pwede siya dito. And you also can set limits. So, para magkano yung daily spending limit mo. And then foreign transactions, magkano rin maximum mo. Online payments, contactless payments, kung magkano rin. Contactless is tap to pay. And then cash advance, magkano rin per day. And then pwede mo siyang i-toggle dito. Paliit or palabas or you can just edit. In fairness guys, cute yung mga things in this card. Medyo nakakita na ako sa kanya. And basically, that's it. Yun na siya. So here are all of your cards. Sa cards portion mo, makikita mo dapat lahat ng cards that you have. And yes, guys, sabihin nyo, Jackson, dami mo namang cards dyan na Maya. Yes, dahil nga nag-test-test tayo ng mga cards niyan, di ba? Kaya ang dami kong cards. But that's about it. Final remarks about the Maya Landers card for me. Di ba? It is a nice product rin naman kasi, di ba, you can already have a credit card and basta link siya sa wallet mo. Foreign transaction fee is quite high, so medyo I don't recommend this using it abroad. So for me, if you ever, ikaw yung tipong tao na malanders ka, why not get this card? At least, every time you spend sa Landers, meron balik talaga sa'yo. Yun yung kagandahan dito. And if ever it will be your first credit card, pwede naman siya, di ba? It might be a good reference credit card maybe in the future kasi this is also considered as a credit card naman. So, for me, Maya is a digital bank. This will be your very first credit card in the Philippines by a digital bank. Kasi diba usually it's just a debit card. But this is a credit card. So, yun siya. For me, let's see how it goes. If ever you have any questions na gusto natin i-try out, why not? Comment it down below. Ita-try rin natin siya maybe soon. But without further ado, yun na po siya. In-unbox na po natin. And finally, na-approve tayo dun sa Maya card. Kasi alam kong iniabangan nyo na to. And I hope medyo natuwa kayo dito sa video na to. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and of course, guys, I love to converse with you. Syempre, follow me for more. See you on the next vlog. Bye, guys!